Ever since I had to upgrade one of my smartphones specifically due to poor battery capacity, I have done what I could to extend the battery life of all my devices. There are a few ways we can do this, but one is by making sure the battery does not exceed a certain temperature for too long. So today I want to take some time to highlight a free application called DevCheck that can display a lot of stats about your battery, along with lots of other details about the hardware in your phone. The DevCheck application can tell you about your battery's health, its voltage, capacity details, discharge rate, health, and the current temperature. Those last two stats are of particular importance for those who are focused on increasing the longevity of your device by keeping the health of your battery as good as possible. DevCheck is a free application from the developer Flare2, which, if you're not aware, is someone who has garnered quite the positive reputation among the Android community over the years. I personally have used his custom kernel on many of my Nexus devices. So we're able to extend the health of our smartphone and tablet batteries by following a few guidelines. Using the DevCheck application, you can see there is a battery tab. And with this, we can monitor the temperature of the battery. With the plethora of fast chargers on the market today, it's a good idea to keep your battery temperature under around 90 degrees. Some will say it's safe to go to about 95 degrees Fahrenheit, but keeping it around 90 degrees Fahrenheit is a good target. So if you notice your battery is exceeding that temperature at any time, especially while it is plugged into a charger, then just be aware that you are reducing the longevity of your battery, and continuing to do so will shrink its overall capacity faster than under normal optimal conditions. You can also increase the longevity of your battery by limiting how much you charge it. Many people recommend stopping the charge process at around 80%. And you can do this on Android with the battery charge limit application if you have root access. I've already covered that application in a separate video that I'll be linking to in the video description below. If you do not have root access, I know there are some hardware options that you can choose from that will use a smart plug in conjunction with an application to stop the phone from charging when it reaches a certain limit. But remember, battery temperature is also important here. So I recommend using an application like DevCheck to monitor stats like that. But you can also use many of the other applications that do similar things, such as AccuBattery, GSAM, and others.